Hello everyone, Matt here, and before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hello everyone, I'm Matt Hoots with Sawhorse, and I'm in a client's house, and they call me out here because they have peeling paint. I want to talk to you about a few reasons why this paint is peeling, because it doesn't have to be peeling. I don't think it was put on that long ago, but because of a poor prep job, we're now seeing failing in this paint. Well, first of all, when you have lap siding like this, the purpose of lap siding is for any water that gets behind it to come out. So what the painter did wrong, they caulked this joint. The only joints you want to caulk are inside where the corner boards meet the siding. But when you caulk this, what happens is this is raw wood behind it. And when moisture gets in, moisture has to have a way to get out. And because it doesn't have a way to get out because this was caulked, it's going to try to come out through the wood and put the pressure on the paint. And when it does that, that's when this paint starts to peel. So when you see peeling paint, a lot of it's because of the prep job, but a lot of it's because the moisture is getting behind it, doesn't have a way for it to get out. So when you caulk, again, caulk the sides. Now I did notice when I was peeling some of this back and then some other sides of the house, they probably could have primed a little bit better, but I'm not going to blame the primer in this case. This is a case of the siding needs to breathe and moisture has to get out. Whenever we install siding on a new house, especially wood siding, we make sure it's primed on all 6 sides. When you prime on all 6 sides, even if moisture gets behind there, it can't migrate through the wood, putting pressure on the paint, and that'll solve your problem. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And for your convenience, we've loaded up other videos just like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notifications to get notifications for other videos just like this.